Right, the main thing here today is actually we're here to really understand what technology and innovation can do to help local authorities deliver better traffic management, and that means involving technologies which actually help us to achieve national objectives, better congestion, better management of congestion, less emissions and actually more mobility. And the answer is quite straightforward. It's actually working together and actually creating collaboration across local authorities, working with departments ourselves to actually understand what the needs are and how we can reinforce each other to actually help achieve that end. We've got over 70 local authority attendees. We have a lot of people from the private sector who are actually representing the private technology industry, who are the key suppliers who need to understand what the market is. And we also have a strategic interest here for transport systems, transport themselves, some people from the larger local authorities who actually have got the connected strategic interests which helps deliver these transport systems. Well, I think the main issue, as always with these conferences, is actually focusing on the importance of data, because when we talk about connected, we're actually talking about the movement of data from vehicle to centre, to actually really understanding its value and what the benefit is of that, and how local authorities can work with data to actually achieve better transport ends. And for government, that's a really interesting challenge. We've just announced that we're doing a national survey and study of local authority data and how we can open that and how that really achieves the value, which I think this conference has actually shown the data is so important too.